Give us what's ours, Gary!
Technically, it's mine! Dr. Bluestein and Derek!
Lose some weight! Come on, Derek! Keep up!
They gave me a seltzer? Why would they give me seltzer? Unless I ordered it. Did I order it? Yes, I did.
I'm gonna break your knees, Gary!
Sweet heavenly fire. Who is the muy bueno super spicy lady?
Captain Quinn Ergon, but don't bother. If you're not Infinity Guard, she's not interested.
Actually, I'm pretty freaking high up in the command chain.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Seriously?
Seriously, I can't get any closer to your face, dude.
Then where's your uniform, bud?
I have one, guy.
No, you don't, pal.
Yes, I do, chum. It's in the bathroom. Crap. Schwab! Looking good, Gary. You're just gonna leave him in there, you jerk. You jerk face. Oh, sweet aspirin. 3 drapnoids. Exact change. Tight. Swallow. You're a good guy, Gary. Now to be smooth as... First time I got a girl's number before I even said hey. You see, I like that. I like a girl with a lot of phones.
Actually, this is the solution to an internal inconsistency in Planck's constant that's never been solved because until now, no one realized it was a problem. And speaking of problems, maybe you should leave before you become one. As in now.
Or I could buy you a drink.
Really?
Let's get wild. How about you buy me a drink?
Wow. I mean, no, but wow.
All Infinity Guards report back to base immediately.
Let's go!
Back to your place? You're moving at cheetah speeds. I like it.
You have an F-71 Hawk to fly, pilot.
Oh my crap.
Move this Hawk, pilot!
You can do this, Gary. Become a much smarter person now.
Oh, my double crap!